If you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle using Brazilian wool worth only $2, then Bestie, you have to keep watching.
Just remember that you're the prize always. Say that one more time. Just remember that you are the prize. Yes!
Hi besties, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slay. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're old, thanks for always coming back. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up and share the video to your friends and family because they will need it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at adjoaslay_ and on TikTok as well at adjoaslay_. So first of all, for this tutorial, I'm going to section my hair into two parts where we're going to have a different style for the back section and another different style for the front section before we bring them together into the ponytail. So with this ponytail, you can wear it to church, you can wear it to an event, you can wear it to a party, anywhere you feel like this hairstyle is suitable for. All you need is your Brazilian wool. Actually use 2 balls or 2 rolls of Brazilian wool, and you just need some gels to sleek your hair, and it's as quick and easy and simple. If you feel like the only problem with this hair is the back section of this hair, and I don't think it's a problem, all you need is the sectioning. So if you have somebody in the house, you can let them do the sectioning for you if you can't do it all by yourself. So you're going to section the back into 2 as well, and with the 2 sectioning, you're going to section again into 3. Each section at the back is going to be sectioned into 3, where you're going to tie a rubber band on each section. I hope you understand. It's very simple. As you watch the video, you're going to understand where I'm coming from and where I'm going to. It's a very simple tutorial. So you're only going to section the hair at the back like so. First of all, you section the whole hair at the back into 2. Then with the 2 section, you take each section and section each section into 3 using your gel, any gel of your choice. I'm using Shine and Jam. As you already know, I love my Shine and Jam. I'm always out of my Shine and Jam and I need to get a new one, but then you can use any gel of your choice, which is fine. So all you need to do is section the hair, apply your gel and secure the section with some rubber band. Very simple hairstyle. You don't have to break the bank for this hairstyle. Like, you need like 10 rubber bands, your comb, your sectioning clips, your hair gel. You can use any gel, like I said. It doesn't have to be Shine and Jam. If you want to use Shine and Jam too, is fine. And voila, you have your tutorial. Very easy and simple. So I think I'll have to keep quiet and let you guys enjoy the tutorial because it's very self-explanatory. Nothing too difficult with this hair tutorial. If there's anything you didn't understand in the tutorial, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll do my best to respond to every single comment you guys leave below. And if you're looking for self-development videos, you're looking for how to become a soft woman, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out my next video when it's uploaded. It's going to be uploaded on Wednesday. So yeah, I think I'll just keep quiet. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up and enjoy the video to the end.
Just remember that you're the prize always. Say that one more time. Just remember that you are the prize. Yes.